Good day to everyone, this is CMYK Rush Printing. We have 190 products with 24k followers. So this is our shop and this is our products. As you can see, the first banner is shirt printing. Ang gusto po namin na ipabago sa shop ay yung banner. Ipapatanggal po or papalitan po ng picture ng mga machine into actual pictures sana or video na din po para mapakita sa mga customer kung paano ginagamit yung mga machine. Then, let's proceed to the second. The second banner is tarpaulin and banners. Yung sa for printers, ilalagay po mismo yung machine na ginagamit po talaga namin, which is solvent machine. And gusto rin namin idagdag yung picture ng laminated signages since ayun po yung mabenta po sa amin. And next naman po is bags. Papalitan po namin yung mga pictures ng mga done orders po namin. Then third po is ballpen printing. Papalitan po ng mabebenta na ballpen like GE 805, GE 986, GE 3-in-1 and square body ballpen po. And lastly po is blanks. Papalitan po ng plain na word para mas mabilis